told my sister she will come next tomorrow to carry you to Kaduna.
Mama, this is not a story now. See, Mama, which of your sister? I hope it's not Auntie Love.
What are you washing?
I'm washing her clothes.
Washing her clothes waiting since morning.
Sorry.
I give this clothes.
No.
I said sorry, sorry, Bukongo get back. Sorry, Bukongo. If you since morning, kiss I know reba. You try yourself. The boy, what Bukongo get back? Wash quiet. Moo like you, idiot. As we have come back.
Your phone.
Yeah, I'll punish you then. I'll punish you.
There's no food, but I have vast of land. Why not go to farm? Bring cassava or coconut, cocoyam and other things. Even vegetable. You slice it and cook for them. Yeah? You are here talking of hungry. Listen, woman, I'm not thinking of food. What I'm thinking is to build mansions here, up and there. Up and there. Why?
Papa, we are talking about hungry. We are talking about building mansion.
I want us to register Amarachi in our children's school.
You want us to register Amarachi in our children's school?
Yes.
Why?
At least she has been trying. She has been doing everything in the house. Yes, almost everything.
You are not saying that I have not been doing everything in this house.
No,
now that is what you are saying. I have not been doing everything in this house. It's not Amarachi doing everything in this house.
That is not what I'm saying.
See this rubber here. Make sure say you fill this drum. Unami pot and umpam. What do you only fear?
This is 1,000 to do your hair. Take this 14 naira.
Hey!
Manage it.
Papa!
Manage it.
Papa, we are talking about food. We are hungry. Hey, give me those 14 naira.
Papa! Manage it.
God, why me? Okay, look at my father. The useless man that called himself my father in the town enjoy with another woman, and me and my family. We are suffering like this. God, if you have known that I will come to this world to suffer, you would have not brought me to this world.